Dear learner, in this video you will learn about the application of microeconomics in business decision making. After watching this video, you will be able to understand the application of microeconomics to business decisions. Let us first understand the meaning of economics. Economics is a social science that studies how individual, governments, firms, and nations make choices on allocating the scarce resources to satisfy their unlimited wants in such a manner that consumers can maximize their satisfaction, producers can maximize their profits, and the society can maximize its social welfare. This definition highlights two important problems: problem of scarcity of resources and problem of unlimited wants. As you must be aware that wants are unlimited, but resources to fulfill those wants are limited. So human or any particular individual have to make a choice in allocating those scarce resources in such a way that they are able to fulfill their unlimited wants and in such a manner that they are maximizing their satisfaction. So for the consumers, satisfaction they would like to maximize. For the producers, they would like to maximize their profits, and the society would like to maximize its social welfare. The study of economics can be divided into two different branches: microeconomics and macroeconomics. Microeconomics refers to that branch of economics that study individual units, whereas macroeconomics refers to that branch of economics which deals with the economy as a whole instead of individual units. Microeconomics is the study of the economizing behavior of the individual economic entities, and in this we study the behavior of individuals, households or a family, business firms, industries, and factory owners. For example, microeconomics studies how individuals and households with limited income decide what to consume and how much to consume so that their utility is maximized. In other words, microeconomics studies how individual consumers make choice of goods and services that they want to consume and how they allocate their limited income between the goods and services of their choice to maximize their total economic welfare or to maximize their satisfaction. Similarly, in case of business firms, microeconomics studies how business firms take decision on what to produce, for whom to produce, how much to produce, what price to charge, how to fight the competition, and how to promote sales to maximize their profit. In addition, microeconomics studies how demand for a product and its supply are affected by the change in price of the product and how price of the product is determined in the market. Let us now understand how the study of microeconomics helps in business decision making. Application of economics contributes a great deal to managerial decision making as it provides guidance in finding appropriate solution to the business problem. Economic theories, concepts, and tools of analysis are applied as roadmap to find solution to the major business problems. For example, in microeconomics, we use different theories which can be applied to the internal issues of the organization. For example, in microeconomics we study theory of consumer demand, theory of production, theory of cost, theory of price determination, and theory of capital and investment decisions. Let us now understand how these theories can be helpful for the organization in finding some business solutions. The first important theory of microeconomics is theory of consumer demand. Theory of consumer demand analyzes the decision-making behavior of the consumers. It helps you in understanding how consumers decide what to consume, how much to consume, how much to buy, and how consumers react to change in price of the products they consume and price of their substitutes. Thus, the consumer demand theory helps in deciding what to produce for a business firm or a business organization. The another theory is theory of production, which analyzes the nature of input and output relationship for an organization. It explains how output changes with the change in inputs, majorly labor or capital, with the given technology. It provides guidance in the choice of technology for a business firm and in maximizing the output from the resources of the firm. The knowledge and application of the theory of production helps in determining the optimum level of production, the size of the firm, and the employment of labor and capital. Theory of cost analyzes the nature and pattern of change in cost of production with change in output. Application of cost theory helps in knowing the cost behavior with increase in production and in determining the output that minimizes the average cost of production. In view of a profit maximizing objective, this theory helps in determining the profit maximizing output given the price of the product for a business organization. Theory of price determination offers an analysis of how price is determined under different kinds of market conditions, where market conditions are determined on the basis of degree of competition between the firms of the industry. And these markets can be categorized into perfect competition, monopolistic competition, oligopoly, and monopoly. The theory of price determination combined with the cost theory helps firms in determining the profit maximizing price of their product. Theory of capital and investment decision is also a very important theory which helps business manager in taking appropriate decisions. As we know, capital is the foundation of business firms. An efficient management of capital is one of the most important functions of the managers, as it is the determinant of the success of the firm or an organization. The theory of capital contributes a great deal in making appropriate investment decisions for a business organization. So, we can say the theories of microeconomics can help you in solving your internal issues as a business organization. For example, for getting the answer to the question of choice of business or nature of product, that is, what to produce, we have theory of demand which can give us the answer. For deciding the choice of size of the business firm or how much to produce, theory of production can guide us in finding out the answer. Similarly, for choice of technology, how to produce, we have theory of production which can guide us in getting the answer. How to price the commodity, for this we have price theory, price elasticity, and analysis of market structure. For management of profits, we have profit theory which can guide us in finding out the solution to this question of the organization and how to manage inventory and capital. For this, we have inventory management and capital budgeting. Let us understand what we have learned in this video with the help of some multiple choice questions. And the question number 1 is, which of the following statement is true with respect to the application of economics in managerial decision making? A. It provides guidance in finding appropriate solution to the business problem. B. It offers ready-made solutions for the business problem. C. Both of the above. D. None of the above. And the right answer is A. It provides guidance in finding appropriate solution to the business problem. Which of the following is not the theory of microeconomics? A. Theory of consumer demand. B. Theory of production. C. Theory of cost. D. Theory of national income. And the right answer is D. Theory of national income. Which of the following theory helps you in deciding the choice of technology, that is, how to produce? A. Theory of consumer demand. B. Theory of production. C. Theory of cost. D. Profit theory. And the right answer is B. Theory of production. Which of the following theory helps you in deciding the choice of business or nature of product, that is, what to produce? A. Theory of consumer demand. B. Theory of production. C. Theory of cost. D. Profit theory. And the right answer is A. Theory of consumer demand. Thank you for watching this video.